in Japan, and today I am in Shibuya, and in Shibuya I am at Shibuya Scramble Square building, and on the 12th floor there is one halal restaurant which is known as Caravan, and they have many things, many dishes which are halal. They are Muslim friendly restaurants. They have marked everything halal and vegan on their menu, so it's very easy for Muslims to check. Almost 80% of the menu is halal. So let's see what we can have today over here. Menu of Caravan. They are Muslim friendly, certified restaurant. Yes, they have many dishes which are halal. They have halal mark on every menu, every dish, and most of the dishes are vegan also, so that's also okay for Muslims to eat. And they are Muslim friendly. They don't use any kind of pork, gelatin or alcohol in their dishes. They actually buy separate halal certified meat, whether it's chicken, mutton, lamb or beef. They actually buy from the halal shops. So everything is halal certified and free from non-halal things. They have written vegan, they have written halal. For example, there is nothing written, so this is not okay for Muslims, but yes, halal logos and with vegan logo, these are all okay. Yes, these are the halal burgers. These are halal, 100% halal burgers. There is one vegan burger also, and there is Arabian lamb kind of burger also. So you can enjoy both kinds of burger, and they both are halal. They have kind of meat grill plate also, looks so tempting, so beautiful. They have every kind of Mediterranean dishes. Wow, so good. Vegan sakura mochi parfait, and this is halal. Wow, look at that. There are many desserts which are vegan. See, so they are all okay for Muslims to eat because they are vegan. And they do also have cakes, and these are vegan cakes, so Muslims can consume it. They have different kind of sizes of cakes, like 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 18 centimeter. And for example, 18 centimeter is for 7 to 8 people can eat that cake. So, and the price is reasonable, 5,500. What else you want? It's a vegan cake, Muslim friendly, Muslims can consume it. This is the lunch menu which they serve from 11 to 3. There is halal mark, so it's halal. Wow. I ordered my food. I ordered veg burger, vegetarian burger. It's halal. So let's see how does it taste. I actually talked with the manager and they told me that this restaurant was opened in 2019 in November. So it's kind of a new restaurant, not too much old, but that's really nice that they do serve halal certified halal menu, Muslim friendly menu, many dishes. Almost every dish at this restaurant is halal, and they have vegan options. Of course, vegan is Muslim friendly, so we have a lot of options to choose from. Those who like Middle Eastern dishes, like Mediterranean dishes, so they can come at this restaurant.
お待たせいたしました。アラビアンビーガンバーガーでございます。失礼いたします。
はい、ありがとうございます。Wow, look at that. It's 100% halal. And wow, look at that. This is the burger which Muslims want, and wow, halal at just Karwan. Okay, so here I got the burger, and this is a traditional Syrian sauce made of walnuts and paprika. So, and these are wedges. Looks so good. So let's try with the sauce actually. Wow, the sauce is too good. The flavor of paprika, walnuts. Wow, it's a kind of cold sauce, but the taste is wow, amazing. This sauce I actually tasted first time, and it's really wow, amazing sauce and perfect combination with the fries. Wow, look at the burger. That's Arabian wedge burger, and look at the patty, tomato, and this is I think parsley, and this is tofu. It's a veg burger, so everything in this burger is totally vegetarian. It's totally a veg burger. So let's try it. Wow, so amazing. I can feel the taste of hummus and tahini, and tofu is good. The patty is totally wow, really amazing. It's fully vegetarian, and it's 100% halal. So good. Wow, look at the inside of a burger. Look at that. It's a perfect vegetarian Arabic burger, and it's so good. This is their palm sugar ice cream. So let's taste it. Wow. The taste is so good. It's ice cream of palm sugar. Wow. Taste is really amazing. I am eating this kind of ice cream for the first time, and it's halal, and it's okay for Muslims, Muslim friendly. So do try their ice cream also. It's very yummy, and wow. At Karwan restaurant, I think you must taste every dish at this restaurant, because all the dishes are so good. They're so tempting that any Muslims can't stop themselves eating such kind of food. Wow.
カルバン東京です。私たちのレストランではハラール、ビーガン、ベジタリアンのお客様が食べられる料理を提供しています。日本ではまだ珍しいですが、アラビア料理、アラビア諸国の料理を提供しています。はい、日本では珍しいアラビア料理、エジプトやトルコやモロッコ、レバノンの料理がたくさんここではお召し上がりいただけます。ぜひ食べに来てください。
So whenever you come Shibuya, do visit this restaurant. You can enjoy the view from the top, from the 12th floor. you can also enjoy the great food which is halal. So from their Shibuya branch, they do also have two other branches also, which is one in Hanno, and the other one they have recently opened, which is in Yokohama. So in Yokohama there are many things, many kinds of burgers, many kinds of things which are not at this restaurant, but of course Yokohama branch. So we will soon be visiting there, and we will let you know about that too. Follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, on every social media platform to know about all Muslim friendly information. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and do visit our website, which is www.halalfoodinjapan.com, and don't forget to check the review blog of this restaurant on our website. They have many things which are halal and vegan, very Muslim friendly restaurant, and they serve burgers also. So do check in, please come and visit this restaurant. So that's it, sayonara, until next time, Allah Hafiz.